A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I want A plus English. That's so much fun. English education for you and everyone, so come along. Learn some grammar, learn a phrase, learn something new every day. Learn the A plus way. Hey, it's time to start the show. Are you ready? Good, 'cause here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I want A plus English.
Hello everyone, welcome to the show. I'm Tiffany.
And I'm Laura.
In the apatsu, you do have some things that, you have garbage, trash, all these things.
Ooh.
So I have something to talk about in our apatsu. Okay. Which of the following is recyclable? Okay, I'm going to give you some choices.
Okay.
Is it a toothbrush? Is it the toothpaste tube? Or is it the plastic tooth floss picks? What do you think? In your apatsu?
我以为 none of these items can be recycled because toothbrushes 你的牙刷你都用过了还要 recycle, super gross.
Yeah,
Toothpaste tubes 怎么办？我都会丢掉那个牙膏的那个管子。But I think they have many layers of different materials. I think that's hard to recycle. And also the plastic tooth floss picks. 这更恶心欸，就是你都剔完牙了，还要 recycle， 谁要用啊 ？Super gross.
I don't know.
None. 应该都不行吧
Okay. Well, today we're talking about things that you find in your apatsu and how you can recycle them because we also we also have to be responsible to the environment.
Okay.
So let's take a look at today's article.
Okay.
Welcome to Picture Dictionary. Plastic. Aluminum cans. Glass. General waste. Tetra Pak. Metal. Polystyrene. Kitchen waste. Clothing recycling bin. Garbage truck. Where does go?
The plastic bottles go in the plastic bin, recycling bin. The receipts go in the garbage. I'll throw it in the garbage bin.
Garbage or recycling. A helping guide. Warm-up question. Which of the following is recyclable? 1. Toothbrushes. 2. Toothpaste tubes. Or 3. Plastic tooth floss picks.
Adam is going to brush his teeth.
Do we have any more toothpaste? This tube is almost out.
We do, but there should be more inside. Cut the tube open and use your toothbrush to get it out. Then you can wash the empty tube and recycle it.
Really? I always throw it out as garbage.
All right, well, we're going to be looking at Adam and Elsie in their apatsu. And then,
他们的公寓里吗
yeah, so this article says Adam is going to brush his teeth. And Adam says, do we have any more toothpaste? This tube is almost out. Okay, so when we talk about tube and cylinder, these are actually very similar shapes. But for everyday items, like for example, we say toothpaste is in a tube, or hand cream is usually in a tube. Cylinders are also like round 3D shapes, but we mostly use cylinders when we describe things like soda cans or water bottles and even the Pringles cans. So
Oh my gosh,
yeah, it's a little bit different.
Pringles. 品客洋芋片 OK 我们刚刚有提到的 tube 呢，在本课 就是软管的这个容器哦，它是一个名词。那大家可以想一想，除了 toothpaste, what other items that also come in a tube? Maybe paint.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Or 我知道防晒乳 sunscreen, or even medications, right? 有些药膏也是那个软管的。
True.
Or hair products like 发胶啊 hair gel or conditioner， 有些是那种润发的精华，它也是一个 tube, right? And also lip gloss， 有些唇釉也是一个 tube, right? Or foundation， 粉底啊 and some concealer 就是遮瑕膏 can also be found in tubes. Okay. Now here Adam says it's almost out. Okay， 就是他的牙膏快用完了。Now, of course, he could also say it's running out. Okay, this toothpaste tube is running out, or it's almost finished. 快要用光了 or it's almost empty 快空空了空空赏 or it's nearly gone 拜拜快没了 Well, I always buy extra toothpaste, shampoos, in case I run out.
I'm the same. I have a big supply of things.
Oh my gosh, can I go to your house when I run out?
Of course. If you run out, I'll give you some. All right, well, Elsie says, we do, but there should be more inside, right? Because sometimes when we, squeeze it out, we feel like there's some more inside, right? So she also says, cut the tube open and use your toothbrush to get it out. Then you can wash the empty tube and recycle it. Oh, that's so
you can recycle it?
Yeah. So apparently we can recycle toothpaste.
If it's clean, I think.
Yeah. Right. Especially if you wash it out, I think. But it's also a great hack. Like when you cut the things open, like tubes open, and then get all of the products out. Yeah, that is such a great hack.
Hack 是什么呢？就是生活的小知识或是 pebble 技巧。I do the same for my lip balm. 就是我有一个护唇膏，刚好就是那个软管状，我也是这样子，会用到剩下最后一滴滴。Another hack when your shampoo or conditioner bottle is almost empty, add a bit of water, shake it well, and I use it to clean my sink. 我真的是省钱高手。
Yeah, I love these.
And we also saw the word recycle. 当然就是回收的意思啦。Okay, I always recycle things.
Yeah, totally. Me too. So Adam then says, really? I always throw it out as garbage. So he's saying the toothpaste tube. He didn't know that you can recycle it. He usually just throws it in the garbage.
我也是欸，我也会 throw it out. Throw out 这个片语就是扔掉、丢弃。But you know what? I love throwing things out. It makes me feel like my house is cleaner.
Yeah.
断舍离。
I agree. We shouldn't have too many things.
But clean.
They're recyclable because they're simple plastic. They have a lot of reuse value.
Okay, I'll remember that for the future. What about toothbrushes or plastic tooth floss picks? Can we also recycle them?
No, they're not easy to collect and have little reuse value.
All right, well, let's take a look at the article. Elsie says they are recyclable because they're simple plastic. They have a lot of reuse value. So a while ago, we mentioned the word recycle. It means to be used again. Recyclable is basically the same thing because the prefix re means again. And then at the end, you see cycle. Okay, it means to like go in a circle again. Okay, so something is recyclable. It's a way to describe that you can use it again and again and again.
Cute, recyclable 就是可回收的，它是一个形容词。Other words that start with re, like refill, 就是 to fill something again, 再填满啦。Or reuse, to use something again, 再使用。
That's right. Elsie mentioned reuse value. Reuse value means what?
就是再利用的价值啦。
Yeah. How often do you recycle at home, actually?
Pretty often at home, we have separate boxes for general waste, 一般垃圾 and recyclables like paper, plastic, right? So it's easy to sort everything out. I make sure to recycle things like milk cartons, soda cans, and old newspapers every day, right? It feels good knowing what I'm doing. that I'm doing my part to help the environment. 环保小尖兵。
I love it. I do the same thing at home as well. Okay, let's continue reading. Adam then says, okay, I'll remember that for the future. What about toothbrushes or plastic tooth floss picks? Can we also recycle them? Right, in the beginning we were kind of guessing, okay, can we also recycle these as well? It sounds kind of gross, right? But we're gonna look at tooth floss picks. They're basically tooth blocks. That's the string that we use to floss or brush between our teeth. And then the pick is like a toothpick. So it's a long thin stick that you can also pick things out between your teeth. It's kind of like, yeah, a little gross. I don't want to.
Okay, 你真的不用解释这么 too much information. Tooth floss pick 交给我来讲就是牙线棒 ，OK? Actually, I prefer using dental floss， 就是普通的那种牙线可以拉的。I think those floss picks are only okay if you're outside, right? And it's convenient, but you know, this is a funny story. It's super gross, I have to tell you. 你知道我认识有一个人，他超恶，他可以用牙线棒哦，用一整个星期 for his whole mouth, like 一整个星期。他说我都剔牙，然后都不丢掉。
Ew!
Super gross.
No, don't do that because the point is to get the germs out of your teeth.
好恶，然后上面都是 germs.
Oh my god, gross.
都是细菌。
I don't want to hear it. So gross.
Okay, back to Elsie.
Yes.
And Adam.
Okay. Elsie says, no, they're not easy to collect and have little reuse value. Oh, okay. Maybe the plastic is like not enough and it's like so little that there's no point in like doing it, right?
Okay, so the word collect 就是聚集或是集中。I've collected so many cute magnets and put them on the fridge. It's so fun. And I know Tiffany likes to collect cute postcards.
I do. Especially when I travel, I love to. Sometimes I collect magnets too, and I send you postcards.
Postcard, 对，我正想说他都寄给我，他去玩的时候。
Yeah, so fun, right? Okay, but speaking of like recycling, what other non-common objects can we recycle? So we know, of course, like, you know, water bottles, glass and paper can be recycled. Do you know what else can be recycled?
What about, I've always wondered about this, clean plastic bags. Can you?
I think so, because like when the garbage truck comes, the recycling truck, you can also put
所以干净的塑胶袋是 okay 的 but if they're dirty, you can't.
Yeah, especially because I think what happens is it's really hard for them to clean. So if it's a clean plastic bag, they take it because, you know, we go shopping all the time and vendors, they love to give you plastic bags.
Oh, okay, what about this? This is definitely recyclable.
Okay.
Batteries.
Yeah, definitely. I see it also on the trucks, and I know you can also go to convenience stores and they recycle those as well. Yeah, so if you have extra things like that, you can totally check out the convenience store and recycle and do your part for the environment.
Oh my gosh.
I have a really quick quiz though. Like,
okay.
Can you recycle the wire hangers?
你是说我们就是吊在衣服上的那个衣架，然后是铁的那种？
Yeah, that's right.
Don't think so, but I don't know why. Can you explain?
Yeah, so you cannot recycle those because basically the metal is wrapped in like plastic and you know how the metal wire is underneath? So I searched it. They say that breaking it apart is too much work. So usually you cannot recycle it, unfortunately.
Okay, so now you know, 不要随便乱丢到那个就是回收桶，就是衣架不能回收。
Yes, that's right. Well, that's the end of today's article for this day. And I think we have your solo to look at.
I know, right?
Can you teach me more stuff?
It's really fun.
Okay, let's take a look.
实用句。今天环保小尖兵拉拉要教大家一些关于回收的好用句。如果你要询问说，这个要丢哪里？可以这么说 ：Where does this go? Or which bin should I use? 应该用哪个回收桶啊？ Or is there a recycling bin nearby? 附近有回收桶吗？那常常可见到这个可以回收的东西有哪些呢？ For example, the plastic bottles go in the recycling bin. 就是塑胶瓶要丢进回收桶。Or paper and cardboard can be recycled. 真的这个纸类还有硬纸板是可以回收的哦。Or glass bottles are recyclable. 就是玻璃瓶是可回收的哦。那不可回收的有哪些呢？像是 the receipts go in the garbage， 发票要丢进垃圾桶Or dirty containers aren't recyclable， 脏的容器不能回收啊。 This looks recyclable, but actually it's not. 这看起来可以回收，但其实是不行哦。那再来就是有时候你可能很困惑说，那这个东西可以回收吗？你就可以这么问 ：Can we recycle this? Is this recyclable? Or what materials are recyclable? 好，那如果遇到乱丢垃圾的人，你就可以这样温馨提醒他们哦。Wait, wash it first. 等等，先洗一下啦。Or too dirty, clean it before recycling. 太脏了啦，回收前要洗干净哦。No, plastic bags don't go here. 这个不行啊，脏的塑胶袋尤其是不能丢这边的哦。那如果你要可爱一点来提醒对方，你可以说 Excuse me, that yogurt container needs a bath first. 不好意思哦，这个优格的这个容器呢，你可能要先帮它洗个澡哦。Or oops, dirty boxes make recycling sad. 就是脏脏的纸盒会让回收很伤心哦。
Review time.
It is our review time. And today, let's play abatsu. No, I'm just kidding. Let's do fill in the blanks then. Okay, so I'm going to read you guys a sentence. You try to figure out what goes in the sentences, all right? Okay. Every spring before our Chinese New Year, we like to blank all things that we don't need anymore.
我也很喜欢。
Me too, I love it.
丢掉东西 throw out.
Yes, I love it.
大扫除。
Okay, next we have, I have a hobby of blank magnets when I travel to new
你怎么跟我
places.
一样啊 collecting.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, next one is this small blank is perfect to use when you're traveling.
Tube.
Yeah. Not tuba. No, I'm just kidding. And lastly, okay, this one should be pretty easy. You guys ready? You can also blank old clothes or donate them to people in need.
Recycle?
That's right. Yeah.
哇，今天学到好多，喜欢今天的内容吗？记得按赞、订阅、开启小铃铛，叮，你就不会错过任何精彩的内容喽。
Yay! Woohoo!
We have more for tomorrow, right?
Definitely. We get to see Elsie and Adam more, so don't forget to stay tuned.
And us.
Yes, and we'll see them at their abatsu.